Hey guys, so today I wanted to show you these ultrasonic. Hey guys, so today I wanted to show you these ultrasonic pet collars from PetZ. So shout out to PetZ for sending these over to me. So if you have high-tech brand doggy doors installed, the automatic doggy doors, these collars are going to be compatible to open and close those. So it's compatible with the MS-4 and MS-5 version of the tags that are in them. And so basically you put this on your dog, have it activated and synced up with the door. And when the dog gets close to the doggy door, it's going to automatically open. These are so great. So you don't have to get up every 5 minutes because dogs like to go in, dogs like to go out. And you're like, I just want to sit here. So these are really great. Again, these, it does actually include a battery. So you don't have to go buy the battery separately. Super easy. You're just going to pop that knob off in the back, put the battery in there, and you're going to sync it up. So again, these are compatible with the MS-4 and MS-5 version of the high-tech pet doggy doors. So check them out.